Whoa! Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
Introducing Jimu Robot, an interactive building block kit that lets you create and program your own robots.
Dinosaur, seal, baby, parent.
Let's build the penguin.
Okay.
Now what we'll do
Connect
is...
Jimu to your Bluetooth tablet or phone to control its movements and programming. The 3D dynamic instructions make assembly easy.
There.
Yeah.
The pieces snap together by hand, no tools required.
Should we make it walk?
Yeah. Whoa, that's awesome! Look at that.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. He's going for the bank! No, don't just do the city!
Jimu uses environmentally friendly materials that are durable and safe. With Jimu, you can make anything you can imagine. The high-torque robotic servos create fluid movement. Jimu kits come in lots of different levels. And you can program them to do just about anything. Just use the RPP function to record, position, and play back your Jimu's movements.
Good job.
Jimu kits are a great way to engage kids in STEM curriculum.
Select the elephant so we can see it walk. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Yeah. So you see the servos provide torque, which allow the elephant to move.
Plus, you can share your creation.
So we've got our video. We're gonna upload it online and let the Jimu community see what you've created. See how many likes we get.
See what others have made and download new creations and actions. And control them all with the Jimu app. If you can imagine it, you can make it. Jimu Robotic Building Block Kits.